स्वागत है आपका विज्ञान की आवाज़ कार्यक्रम में। यह पॉडकास्ट की श्रृंखला अब तक पहुंचाई जा रही है मीडिया फॉर कम्युनिटी फाउंडेशन द्वारा, जिसे उत्प्रेरित और समर्थन दिया है राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी संचार परिषद ने। विज्ञान की आवाज़ कार्यक्रम से आपको मिलती है देश और दुनिया में होने वाली विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी की अपडेट। साथ ही साथ हम करवाते हैं आपकी मुलाकात देश के उन तमाम वैज्ञानिकों और साइंस लैब से जो भारत को और बेहतर बनाने में लगातार अग्रसर हैं। आज के टॉप साइंस अपडेट। भारत सरकार के विज्ञान और प्रौद्योगिकी विभाग के एक सांवैधिक निकाय प्रौद्योगिकी विकास बोर्ड ने अपशिष्ट प्रबंधन कार्यक्षेत्र में व्यवसायीकरण चरण में स्वदेशी प्रौद्योगिकियों वाली भारतीय कंपनियों से आवेदन आमंत्रित किए। इस प्रस्ताव का उद्देश्य भारतीय शहरों को कचरा मुक्त बनाना और इसी के साथ साथ ही प्रौद्योगिकी युक्तियों अर्थात अपशिष्ट से संपदा के माध्यम से अपशिष्ट से संपदा उत्पन्न करना था। इस पहल के तहत प्रौद्योगिकी विकास बोर्ड ने समझौते पर हस्ताक्षर किए। टीडीबी ने नई दिल्ली स्थित एक स्टार्टअप के साथ औद्योगिकी भांग, सन और बिछुआ आदि जैसे तने की सामग्रियों के कृषि अपशिष्ट का फाइबर में विकास और व्यवसायीकरण के लिए समझौता किया। बोर्ड ने 2.8 करोड़ रुपए की कुल परियोजना लागत में से 1.38 करोड़ रुपए की सहायता का संकल्प किया है। भारतीय अंतरिक्ष अनुसंधान संगठन ने अंतरिक्ष की दुनिया में एक और नया कीर्तिमान स्थापित किया है। इसरो ने रविवार को श्रीहरिकोटा सतीश धवन अंतरिक्ष स्टेशन से 36 उपग्रहों को ले जाने वाला भारत का सबसे बड़ा LVM-3 रॉकेट को लॉन्च कर दिया। इसरो ने ब्रिटेन के वनवेब के लिए 36 उपग्रहों के इस दूसरे बैच का अंतरिक्ष में सफलतापूर्वक प्रक्षेपण किया है। ये कंपनी की फर्स्ट जनरेशन के लोअर अर्थ ऑर्बिट तारामंडल समूह को भी पूरा करेगा, जिससे कंपनी 2023 में वैश्विक कवरेज शुरू कर सकेगी। इसरो के कॉमर्शियल सैटेलाइट लॉन्चिंग के क्षेत्र में इससे उसकी सफलता को और मजबूती मिलेगी। साइंस अपडेट के बाद विज्ञान की आवाज में अब बारी है एम्पलीफायर की। एम्पलीफायर में हम करवाते हैं आपको रूबरू विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी के विविध क्षेत्रों में अपने अत्याधुनिक अनुसंधान एवं विकास जनाधार के लिए ज्ञात वैज्ञानिक तथा औद्योगिक अनुसंधान परिषद की राष्ट्रीय प्रयोगशालाओं से तथा भारतीय कृषि अनुसंधान परिषद की प्रयोगशालाओं से। साथ ही साथ हम करवाते हैं आपकी मुलाकात उन खास लोगों से जो विज्ञान एवं प्रौद्योगिकी के क्षेत्र में लगातार काम कर रहे हैं, जिससे भारत और समाज बेहतर बन सके। विज्ञान की आवाज में आपको लेकर चलेंगे केरला के तिरुवनंतपुरम में स्थित राष्ट्रीय अंतविषयी विज्ञान तथा प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान, जहां हाल में ही CSIR की महानिदेशक और DSIR की सचिव डॉक्टर N कलाईसेल्वी ने 1 वीक 1 लैब प्रोग्राम का उद्घाटन किया। आपको सुनवाते हैं उस कार्यक्रम के कुछ खास अंश।
Our chief guest, Dr. Mrs. N Kalaiselvi, has become the first woman secretary to the DSIR and Director General of CSIR, Government of India. Madam is the inspiration and pride of thousands of women in the country who want to pursue a career in service.
Namaskar and good afternoon to each and every one of you. Because I'm really excited and a lot of surprises, many more surprises are here. Never he revealed that all these surprises are going to be here. That is why I call them a surprise. And today is a real remarkable day, not only to NIST but also to Kalaiselvi, I should say. Because you are making me to understand how strong you are, how passionate you are, and how much you are taking things very seriously from the science and technology angle, and to what extent you have already come up on your own as a kind of volunteered service that what is it that I can do for this country? What is it that I can do for Indian industries? What is it that I can do for Indian farmers? What is it that I can do for this Indian society? I think it's a great, remarkable, symbolic way of showing your passion, showing your contribution, showcasing your intervention as well as involvement also. I'm really thrilled, and my hearty congratulations to each and every one of you. And my special thanks are due to all the senior leadership, those who are decorating this first row. Because today, Anantharamakrishnan and NIST and all of you, including Kalai Selvi, we are all sitting on the shoulders of Suresh sir, Suresh Das ji, as well as Ajay Ghosh ji. We are sitting on their shoulders and we are just looking at the world. Because on our own, we can't take this much mileage. Now today, the mileage is so huge because we are sitting on their shoulders. They have already taken this lab to a particular level, and today we have the young hero with us who will take it to greater heights. I think this is where we have to celebrate the leadership, the ground state, I would say, the one who is really making all efforts at the lab level. Where is that Anjaneyulu? I think he is a very shy person. Okay. Because all of us are celebrating, all of us are trying to take ownership of all his technologies, and he is just going in one way, in one corner. He doesn't even want to open up his thing. I think this is the real symbol of a scientist. Because first time I am seeing him, but I think he is the real, I would say, if at all you want to picturize a scientist, you can take him as a model. Because I will do only science, I will develop technology, that's all, my job is over. So if at all you want to celebrate, you celebrate. If you call me, I'll come, okay, no problem. But my science is getting celebrated, and that is a pride. And I really appreciate Ramanjanelu. I think many more persons will be sitting here. Today he has been, I would say, showcased as a model. And I believe NIST is coming up with many successful stories in the coming days also. Like leaders like Ramanjanelu, or what is your name? Anjaneyulu. So I think today you are giving me number of excitations starting from LCA. You started your story with the LCA. Then I was thinking that, yeah, NIST is doing something in aerospace. Then you slowly touched upon energy. I thought that, okay, they are contributing something in energy, which was already known to me. And now you have little more surprises also. And then you slowly moved on to waste to wealth. I thought that, okay, they are really taking care of environment also. Then they suddenly said that, no, we are into geospatial research also. I think how many surprises are there? I think that is the beauty of CSIR. NIST, when you started your travel or journey or your existence, so regional research laboratory, meaning is you have to really fulfill the requirements of this nation, rightly pointed out by Dr. Anantharamakrishna. Kerala is known for three things: rubber, kaya and spices. He was talking about spices. More than spices, all the time whenever Anantharamakrishna talks to me over phone, or whenever we happen to meet each other, even for 1 minute or 10 minutes, all the time I used to tell him only two things: rubber and kaya from Kerala during your tenure. It should be made visible across the country, phase 1, across the globe, phase 2. And you should take it to that particular level, and that is where you can say that this is where NIST is. Meaning is, NIST is a laboratory from Kerala, meaning is you are taking the flag of Kerala in the international arena. I think this is what science and technology can do, all these miracles so easily through technology transfers. And I'm really thrilled and excited to see all those who have really recognized and they have accepted the technologies of NIST. And from today onwards, or from afternoon onwards, or from tomorrow onwards, they are going to implement all the technologies. And this is how we are able to touch the lives of the common man through all these launch vehicles. They are all our launch vehicles, because we are only doing science and technology within these four walls, and they are giving us more visibility by taking our science, by taking our technology, by taking the process, by taking the products, and when the product is reaching the unreached part of this world as well as this country, a common citizen, I think that is where the science of NIST is getting celebrated. And I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I wish everyone all the very best also, because your success is our success. I'm a little selfish also, because the more you earn, we also become more popular. So always we calculate it in that way, that the moment we transfer the technology, we wish, we pray, we hope, we work with you, we handhold, and we will always travel with you till you reach the maxima, because we want to touch upon the maxima through you. CSIR is an organization which was established mainly to cater to the requirements of Indian industries. Even though Indian industries were really targeted, end of the day, the science should go and reach the common man for the domestic application, for the strategic application, for the societal applications, and I would say for all the market-driven requirements. Friends, as rightly mentioned by Dr. Anantha Ramakrishna, if you just see our establishment CSIR, we are 5 years senior to India's freedom. So India got independence only in 1947, but we got our existence in 1942, and therefore with all pride we say that I am senior to even the independent India. Therefore, what is a great thing that we have done? We have already celebrated 80 years, and therefore now the expectation is more from the other side, be it a common man or a student or an youngster, any youth you can say, or from ministry, from administrators, or I would say from well-wishers also. We have to now come up with a kind of a role model, we have to come up with a kind of an SOP for success stories, and I think that should be really followed not only in India but also everywhere. How long you can say that CNRS is really a good model? How long you will say that Fraunhofer is a great model? When are we going to say that India, CSIR at India is going to be the global model? When are we going to say? Who can do that? It is you and I. We should only do, and we can only do, and we are supposed to do also. Because 80 years government is consistently supporting CSIR with all kinds of funding, and therefore what is it that we are doing is nothing but we are trying to develop indigenous science and technology, and I'm so happy that almost all the 8 thematic areas you have touched upon through your science and technology. Because CSIR with its vast 37 laboratories under 8 thematic research areas, I think NIST is omnipresent, omnipotent. Everywhere. In all the 8 themes I could see your presence. And from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate also that you are able to position yourself. Positioning is very, very important. Positioning is little challenging, and sustaining the position is also much more difficult. You are doing it, and therefore I really appreciate each and every one of you for that. Friends, if you just take today's India, its requirement, the Honorable Prime Minister is making it very, very clear in every address, whether it is the Independence Day address or Republic Day address or his special address to CSIR family. Because I always say, I think one more time also I can so proudly say, CSIR is the one and only organization where the scientific leadership is the national leadership. The Honorable Prime Minister is the President of CSIR Society, and the Honorable Minister of Science and Technology is the Vice President of CSIR. What else is required? Meaning is, we are a mini government. Because Prime Minister is with us on board, the Minister of Science and Technology is with us on board, and therefore I think the infrastructure is also created in the 80 years, 8 successful decades. Therefore we are rich with all possible and all required supports. What is it that we have to do is, we have to make use of all these available opportunities, because opportunities are already made available. So make use of all the available opportunities, do your best, come up with your best, and by means of which you can showcase that CSIR can do wonders in these days. Because if you just see the country's growth, if you just see the graph, whether it is green revolution or blue revolution or white revolution or industrial revolution. Then later on people started talking about IT revolution. Then once upon a time even other countries were thinking, is it possible for India to talk about digital transaction? We have proved that we are able to do that. Once upon a time people were thinking, is it possible for India to take this kind of strong efforts and tall climbs on vaccine? We proved that yes, we are capable of, we can do, we did, we demonstrated. Now the whole world is thinking how India is going to develop from the state of developing nation to developed nation. Science is universal. Science will give you the fundamentals. Science will give you the knowledge to understand, but how best you are going to correlate it with the real-time requirement, how best you are going to translate it and transform it to cater to the requirements of today and tomorrow, I think that is where your success is getting determined. And CSIR is the heavenly place. CSIR is the paradise that gives you all the possible and all the required facilities. And I wish to hear many more success stories, not only from NIST, but also from the persons, those who are sitting here, those who receive the technologies. And I'm just looking for the day I should come again and I should get many more success stories. Thank you so very much. I wish 1 week, 1 lab be a grand success. Thank you.
अब जाते जाते हम बताते हैं आपको बात पते की। क्या आप जानते हैं पृथ्वी एकमात्र ऐसा ग्रह है जिसके वायुमंडल में 21% ऑक्सीजन है और इसकी सतह पर तरल पानी है। ये था आज का विज्ञान की आवाज। आपको ये पॉडकास्ट कैसा लगा हमें बताएं mediaforcommunity@gmail.com पर। इस पॉडकास्ट को प्रोड्यूस किया है आशीष तिवारी ने।